What is up, everybody? RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and today we have the Hot Wheels Track Stars Mercedes-Benz Actros. I believe this is the part of the truck series. Yeah, this is the Mercedes Actros. As you can see, it's basically recolored in a pretty nice red. At the back, Mercedes-Benz Actros, and let's go ahead and open this up. So here is the Mercedes-Benz Actros in a very nice maroon, more of like a maroonish red. Can barely see it in the camera because it's kind of big in size, but overall I guess you can see it. So here's the truck itself. As you can see, it's quite relatively the 1/64 scale, not like the mini GT ginormous scales. According to the car, they normally do the trailer, the truck and trailer to lift the cars up, so that's why it's well, sometimes it's kind of bigger, the size. So let me show you up close here. Focusing in. So here's the Mercedes-Benz Actros in red, like I said just now. So here is the front of the truck, the head. As you can see, it's fully red, and yeah, the only problem is there's no front lights. Similar to the previous one in blue, it doesn't have any front lights. This bottom part right here is totally gray till the back. It's all connected with the front bumper, and there's some grille details in black, as well as the what do you call it? The Mercedes logo right there. And it says Actros. I don't know if you can see the interior or not. It's kinda tinted black, so I'm not sure if there is even an interior or not. On the side of the truck, you have a Hot Wheels logo, as well as a number 68. Some black and white stripes, just simple, as well as the top right there with the black stripe. Nothing on the roof or anything. And that's the other side. Now, I'm not sure if you can take off the truck with the cab. I'm not too sure if you can do that or not, because I've never tried. I'm pretty afraid if it might like break or something, the connector piece breaks or something, so I'm not entirely confident to take it both apart. So here's the back of the truck, or like the trailer. So here's the a big Hot Wheels logo on the front, on the right cover right here, as well as another Hot Wheels logo, but with some red stripes. And then it has Hot Wheels right there in white. Pretty cool. What does that say? Oh, it has El Segundo there. Pretty nice touch. Nothing on the top or anything. For the back, it's totally empty. Not even the rear lights are there. Same goes on the right side. And if you might know, previous video about the blue one, I did show you what this truck can do. It basically can open up, more of like a gull wing style of opening up. So this is the truck opened. You can basically store one car. I don't think so you can store more than one, but you can basically store a car in there. Too bad they didn't like add any car stoppers for the wheels. That would be pretty cool. Maybe like the car wouldn't like hit front and back if you're like pushing the trailer or something. That would be cool. If not, it would just like go front and back, and maybe like it may scratch the car sometimes if you're moving the trailer and the car hits front and back. Hold on, let me show you a demonstration here. We'll take my AMG, Mercedes AMG GTS, I think, yeah. So as you can see, there's quite a big space between the front and the back, so it's quite long. Maybe they did this because there might be some quite long cars. So yeah, this is what happens if you're moving it. Yeah, you can see it kinda like, hold on, let me focus it. Okay, it kinda like move back and forth. It would be great if they put like a stopper, but I understand that maybe some cars might not work for the stopper. The distance in between the wheels might not be accurate. So I totally understand that, and I totally understand what Mattel's trying to do. So it closes up like this. It totally fits in there. Maybe some wide cars would not fit. I haven't tried any wide cars, but one thing I'm sure about is it does not fit any SUV cars, or maybe like SUV cars, or maybe like a Mighty K or something. That would not fit it at all. So yeah, so that's basically it for my review of the Mercedes-Benz Actros in this new color scheme in red. Overall, pretty nice truck, I might say. To be honest, I pretty like this one better than the blue one with the, what do you call that? Don't remember. But still, I kinda like this one better. It looks more of like a racing, a truck that brings racing cars onto the track. Like maybe NASCAR cars? I don't think so, nope. Maybe like for on-road trucks. That would be pretty cool. And yeah, that is my review of the Mercedes-Benz Actros. It's pretty cool. If you see it in stores, recommend you taking it. It's quite cheap, pretty nice, and overall the materials are good. And once again, thank you guys for watching. See you on my other videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you on my other videos. See you soon. Bye bye.